Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on October 5, 2025. On October 5, I mentioned there are chances that if gold would break above the rejection zone of 3897, there are chances that gold would go up. Let's see what happened after this. From the range of 3896, you can see gold has moved up to a great height and it has reached up to 4058.97 range. And when it reached this range, I already mentioned in our premium channel and in our core team groups that there are chances that gold would rise from the level of 3978 to 4015 or 16 range, and from 4016 range I mentioned that there are chances that it would fall as it is a supply zone. Let's see what happened after that. So this was the first demand zone which I have mentioned on our premium group as well as our core team group. So this was the support range, and there was also a huge support range in between for 3941 to 3819. So this is a huge support for gold in the daily time frame. So this was the images, or this was the order blocks which I marked. Pretty big order blocks. But still, let's see what happened. Gold came and tapped on this area. By this time, I already mentioned the rejection zone or the supply zone, where let's mark this as the rejection zone, which is 4017.01 to, let's take this higher zone 4059.34. Now let's mark it as red, so that you can understand that it is a rejection zone. And let's see what happened after that. Gold, after tapping on the mentioned area, gold went up and went up to the rejection zone of 4017, and from 4017 gold came down again to the support zone, and after that it went again back to the rejection zone. And right now, this is the situation that is happening in gold right now. Gold is in the rejection zone of 4015.63 range. Also, I see a rejection from 4015.63 to 4058.60 or 94 range. Now, what is going to happen next? Let's see. Please know that gold is in an all-time high range right now. And when gold is in an all-time high range, you need to always understand that anything can happen. Even though our predictions are going well, all the predictions are happening in a very good way, analysis are also happening as we predicted, but still there are chances that due to any sudden news, a recession or something like that, we can't say what is the news, but there are chances that gold can fall. Because if you see in the weekly time frame or the monthly time frame, gold has been flying like anything without any second thoughts. From the range of 1916, the monthly chart it is going up like anything. But if you check the historical data, when there is a huge high like this, there is always a pullback that is happening. You can see here in 2008, there is a pullback happening. In 2012 or 11, there is a pullback happening. In the 2021, there was a huge pullback which has happened. So there are lots of chances that gold can take a pullback. We can't say till where. But still, if we look at the time frame of daily, gold is still bullish. These are the chances that I would like to tell you. We should look into all the possibilities. Now, when I see that gold is in an order flow right now, also there is a huge order block or a support zone in between 3941 to 3819. So precisely speaking, maybe we can take up to maybe till this range. We'll take the Fibonacci range as well. So until this range, if the gold is coming, that is a buy zone, I can say. Until this range, we can say it is a buy zone. If you go to the 4 hours, now let's see what is happening. The first thing is that gold is in an order flow. Second, the gold is in a selling order block right now. It's a supply zone. Also, when I look into the liquidity, retail liquidity zones, I see that there is a flag pattern which is creating. So why I look into this flag patterns or these patterns is because in this areas, the retailers would like to enter more. So we can take their support as well. We need to respect all the strategies. Now, from here, what is going to happen next? Initial things that can happen is, one, market can get rejected from here, come down, take support, break this range of 4058, and then there are chances that it might go up, or there are chances that from this range market would come down and take a rejection again from this zone. We can't say. Now I would consider not buying in this range, because as this is a rejection zone. Also, there is a chance that because Trump is discussing about the tariffs which he has given to China, which is 130%, we can't say in the market opening, market could go like this as well. We can't say. But I would not go for a buy unless this zone is getting broken of 4017, from 4017 to 4058.60. And let me discuss another chance. If the market is taking a rejection from here, there are still chances that market can come to the second support zone and again touch the range of 4015. So these are all the chances that I can tell you right now. I repeat, in the all-time high range, it is always better to keep quiet and take less trades. Just imagine that if you don't follow the proper risk management, just imagine that you are taking like lots of lot sizes here, or you are taking lots of numbers of trades here. If the market is coming down, you will be stuck at this moment if you are doing an overtrade. Please do not do overtrade at the all-time high range, or never do overtrade. If you manage your risk properly, even the market is coming down, at any time when the market is going up, you can get back your money. You can add in more leverage, you can add in more, pull in more money, or you can keep proper stop losses. You can protect your capital in that way. So trade very carefully, my dear friends. Also, while looking into the news of the coming week, we can see on Monday there is no news. On Tuesday, we have a speech of Fed Powell, and that can be a high impact news. You should be very careful. On Wednesday, we have core CPI, and on Thursday, GDP, core retail sales, and crude oil inventories. All this news in the coming week will affect gold like anything. We can't say either if it is positive or negative. We can't say. But still, you should be careful while trading in these news days. On Friday, we have unemployment rates and non-farm payrolls. So coming week, I can say that it is not a good week to trade, or it's a confusion week to trade, because lots of newses, gold in an all-time high range, anything can happen. Gold can fall down or gold can go up. Anything can happen. So you need to be ready to face anything. So use proper risk management, my dear friends. Do not overtrade. So wishing you all the success, my dear friends. Thank you so much and all the best.